This is trash yarn. Just kidding, it's treasure yarn. I wore this shirt just for this video. It says, even baddies get saddies, and it's got raccoons, our beloved trash gremlins, so it works with our video theme. So I bought somebody's destash. Here it is in all its glory. This is so much yarn for $50. So we're gonna be processing this. There's some lovely colors. There's like a pink and green mix that I'm really excited about. So yeah, we're gonna get to work. I'm back. I'm not wearing my trash raccoon shirt this time because it's another day, but still love the raccoons, love the vibes. In the end, the total amount that I added from somebody else's destash into my stash was 2,376 grams or 5.24 pounds. What I did was I wound all the yarn up into cakes, nearly all of it, and then I weighed it and I organized it, and then I entered everything into my Ravelry stash, and I labeled everything with a little tag, destash 01, and then I could see everything in my destash when I use that filter. So this is what it looks like. So I have a good amount of worsted weight yarn and some DK/baby yarn. A bit more thoughtful about which weights of yarn I need, because I do use worsted weight yarn a lot, but I also have a lot of it. DK is pretty nifty, but I don't use it as much, especially in like some of the pastel colors that I got this time. And I'm getting more into fingering weight yarn to make socks and some kind of more detailed tops, so we'll see. If you're wanting to add to your yarn stash economically or to downsize your own stash, I highly recommend going on eBay or Depop or to your local thrift store, and there'll be a lot of good options there.